hold on. Did you know that you can make money with Canva? I mean, easily. No experience needed. Okay? I know a lot of y'all might be in a little pinch or a bind or whatever, but you could be making money with Canva and Fiverr. Actually, Canva, Fiverr, and Etsy. Okay? You can sell digital downloads. You can sell templates. But what I wanted to talk to you about is if you are watching this, then you know how to post on social media. You know what I mean? You can go on Canva, learn everything that you need to know as far as with the templates and whatnot, and then offer your services on Fiverr, doing the same thing that you do every day. Post. People are looking for social media managers, okay, all the time. All right, you can offer your services at different rates. As you can see, we've got one here.
Well, as you can see, I found a random one here off of Fiverr.com. I will be your social media manager. She's got, brief description showing some of her posts and whatnot. Says here, daily 1 engaging post, 7 days manager, hashtag and captions, 1 social page. Standard $65, daily 1 engaging post, 15 days as a manager, hashtag and captions, 1 to 2 social pages. And for the premium, $120, we have daily 1 engaging posts, 30 days as a manager, hashtag and captions, 2 to 3 social pages.
So, bottom line is, being a social manager is not hard. As I'm understanding it right now, you already have experience in that area. You have a social media page, right? You manage it, right? How long have you had your page up? Oh, well, seems to me you're a social media manager. And just by what you've seen, all you have to do is manage someone's page. Come up with a couple of posts, make it compelling, keep them as a client, and make your money. Okay? I just gave you the game. It's up to you now. Oh yeah. Hold on. Oh yeah. Link in the bio. Sign up is free. Okay? Holla.